Okay, with this information, we finished the first part of this video. So checking all the information we got so far, we already know that we are going to design an AC and exhaust system where will be located. The ductwork will depend on the space, the temperature. In this case, the client do not have any specific requirements, so we are going to use the ASHRAE recommendations. Months of the design, we are going to design a system for full year operation. The type of system will be a direct expansion because it's in a small space, and is the in terms of cost is the one that normally has lower cost because you don't need to design the cold water pipes, and also you don't need much space for the installation of a direct expansion system. Also is a really small space, and so the exhaust system will be for the kitchen, for the meeting rooms, or for the restrooms. The type of thermostat we are going to use will be a Wi-Fi thermostat 7A program and with lockout. Type of diffusers and grill will be white, is what in this case the client wants. The brown will be metal layer. The color of the devices will be white, and these are the electrical features available. So I will continue with this video in another video, and we will finish with the other information we need. So stay tuned. See you soon later. Remember to subscribe. Take care. Bye.